Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. For those who don't know me, my name is CjAkunwata, and look guys, I'm going to be your IT coach today, and I'm going to be your IT leader. Now, and if you don't have one, I'm going to be your first one. Now guys, look, today I want to discuss about what is IT. This is one of the questions that one of my students have asked me probably about a month ago. And I love the fact that his progress of actually getting into IT has been not only fabulous, but his progress of actually learning IT, getting the job, building the skills is what truthfully every IT leader should know how to do when they have a specific candidate or a student come to them. Now, typically, I'm one of the IT leaders here in the state of Maryland, especially around the side of Baltimore. And typically, what I love to do is to actually not only lead individuals, but help individuals understand what truthfully IT is, how to land your IT job. Now, today, guys, we want to discuss on what is IT. And let's kind of debunk all types of myths. IT is not just fixing computers and coding, but IT resides and has a more bigger realm. Now, think of infrastructure. Think about help desk. Think about cybersecurity. Think about cloud security. Think about networking. Think about troubleshooting, configurations, installation, and think about every single corporate system that you can imagine. Now, I come from a very health IT background, typically more in the IT consulting when it comes to more digital transformation and business continuity and also resilience. Now, typically, we love the business side of IT, and I encourage everyone to have a great IT broad knowledge of IT. And here's the reason why. Because when you focus on just one specific skill of IT, right, it limits your growth. Now, I understand that, yes, that people have chase a salary. I understand that. But let's remove salary out the equation. When we remove salary out the equation and we put knowledge first and understand that having a more broader term of what type of systems are in IT, you will understand that that is more of the bigger picture. And the reason why I'm saying this is because when you get into IT, you want to have a broad knowledge. And the reason why you want to have a more broader knowledge is because you want to understand every single corporate system that works. You want to make sure you understand the engineering side of IT, the architecture side, and how you can actually create solutions for your company. There are a lot of different individuals who are actually getting into IT, but when you get into IT, just make sure that you understand that you are there to solve and create a solution. You're not there to do a task. You do not treat every single day to become a task, but treat every day to actually be a day that you're going to solve a solution for your organization. No matter how much it takes, no matter what they need, you're going to create that solution. That is the true work of how you can grow, not into a true IT person, but an IT leader. Now, I understand that in the IT world, there's lots of people that's in the tech space. And people may see, oh, the IT world, the tech industry is very saturated and I don't know how to get in there. But look, guys, it is not difficult whatsoever. It's about where you start from. Whether or not if you have to start from the IT support role to desktop support role and go up to system administrator or network administrator, up to an SME, up to a senior, maybe to an IT manager, whichever ladder you want to climb. No matter which position you are at, you must always treat yourself and have the characteristics of an IT leader, because this is what we typically look for in specific candidates and people. Now, I understand that getting into IT may, like I said, may seem very, very overwhelming. But guys, look, let me give you guys something and specific job titles that you guys can actually start yourself to get into IT today. Now, the first one will be help desk technician, network engineering, IT support specialist, and many other ones like field tech, and also, like I said, IT specialist. Now, when we actually look into those roles, you guys will understand that when you get into these specific roles, you will see that these specific roles will kind of show you the entire environment. Now, when you start reaching roles, when we get into managing people, which is typically your IT manager positions, director, senior manager, VP, CIO, there's a goal. And that specific goal is to not only assist and help even within technical impacts, but to understand and to also build a team. This is the reason why I kind of stress the reason why that anybody who gets into IT must make sure that they possess a leadership skill to understand that you need to make sure that you yourself must understand and have the characteristics to actually train and teach your team. Now, with that being said, a lot of individuals who will succeed are those who become IT leaders. Even if you do not have the title for it, right? You treat yourself like you're an IT leader because you want to make sure that when you get into IT, you are actually leading people and building a team. You want to actually learn how to build people and actually make sure that they surpass you. Now, there's a lot of people in IT who may feel like they know it all and they know everything. But truthfully speaking, you're not going to know it all, right? I understand that, yes, you must understand the broad IT topologies and everything and systems that's in our infrastructure or in your organization's infrastructure. But you must also understand that you're going to have teammates that you must also understand to train, to build, and to make sure they can as well grow and succeed and have a specific growth to succeed in IT. Now, look, guys, if you guys are struggling to get into IT, I built a specific online product information that's going to help you to actually understand the different roadmaps that you need to follow to get into IT. Now, guys, with that being said, you guys can feel free to get in contact with me at any which way, whether through LinkedIn or through my specific link in the description to actually book a free call with me. Guys, look, we're going to make sure that if you want to get into the tech industry, we're going to make sure that we actually teach you how to become an IT leader, because we don't want you to stay stagnant, but we want you to actually to grow. Now, when you get into IT, not everybody wants to do the same thing. I mean, you got to also ask yourself, what do you actually enjoy doing, right? What is your end goal? Where do you want to go? Now, some people don't want to do leadership. Perfectly fine. Some people want to stay technical, but it doesn't mean just because you're not in the leadership role that you're not a leader. You can still be as technical as you want, as much as you love, but you're still a leader at the end of the day because you are creating a solution that not only benefits and helps your organization, but you're creating a solution that's also going to be able to train your other team members and other individuals who come to you and ask for help. Now, guys, with that being said, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see on the next video. And other than that, guys, stay tuned.